You got a cold? You sick? You sick? Oh, you sound like you're dying. You okay? Are you okay? You sound better now. We'll commence eating. Uh-oh, your sickness is back. Uh-oh. Oh no. Sounds like a treacherous cough. That sounds horrible. Oh. Is that bronchitis? What do you got? Here. We're gonna have to eat. Better now? Oh no, it's back! It's back! Oh, it sounds like bronchitis. Oh, you had your vaccinations. You had your vaccinations. You better now? Oh, no. Nope. Oh. Oh, jeez. Guess we have to get more shots. Feeling better, then? No more shots, huh? Oh. Oh, now you got the sniffles. Now you're sneezing. Ah, wow. Can you even eat? Can you even eat with that? Good. Good, good, good. All right. Oh, it's setting in again. Oh, it's setting in again? We're going to go get more shots if you don't hurry up and get better. If you don't get better, we're going to get more shots. So you're better?